listen to the text and try to answer the questions at the end to test your listening and understanding of English. I will provide sample answers you can compare your answers to. Check out learnwithtext.com for more. Welcome, my friends, to a journey into the intriguing realm of laundromats. Behind those mundane exteriors lies a world brimming with stories, rituals, and the ever-present hum of washers and dryers. Today, we embark on an earnest exploration to unravel the secrets behind the coin-operated magic of laundromats, shedding light on the daily lives of those who frequent these establishments. The laundromat experience. Step inside any laundromat, and you'll be greeted by an amalgamation of sights, sounds, and smells. The chattering of quarters in pockets, the rhythmic thumping of clothes in washers, and the warm scent of freshly laundered garments fill the air. Rows of washers and dryers stand like sentinels, bearing witness to the cycles of cleanliness. The people. Laundromats attract a diverse cast of characters, each with their own laundry tales to tell. In one corner, an exhausted student crams textbooks into a small washing machine, the remnants of late-night studying clinging to his weary eyes. Across the room, a young couple shares smiles and stolen glances as they fold their freshly dried clothes, their laundry outing doubling as quality time. Laundromats serve as melting pots of stories, offering a glimpse into the lives of strangers brought together by a common chore. It is here that you witness humanity in its most vulnerable state, as people air their dirty laundry, both literally and metaphorically. The rituals. Within the laundry realm, a choreographed dance of sorts unfolds. It begins with the careful sorting of garments, a delicate balance of colors, fabrics, and temperature settings. Families huddle together, discussing the best techniques for stain removal or sharing secrets passed down through generations. As the clothes spin and tumble in their soapy sanctuary, time becomes malleable. It is during this interlude that connections are formed, conversations sparked, and friendships forged. Neighbors become confidants, and strangers find solace in shared experiences, united by their mutual task. Coin-operated magic. Ah, the enchantment of the coin-operated machines. In exchange for a handful of quarters, these mechanical wonders spring to life, transforming piles of dirty laundry into fresh, fragrant treasures. The rhythm of dropping coins into slots and the satisfying clink of the coin box hold a peculiar charm, like casting a spell of cleanliness. Behind the scenes. Beyond the public eye, the laundromat itself undergoes a daily ritual of maintenance and upkeep. Dedicated staff work tirelessly to ensure the machines are in working order, attending to repairs and replacing worn-out parts. The steady hum of the dryers reverberates through the walls, a testament to their tireless service. The laundromat, a community hub in its own right, becomes a hub for local businesses as well. Bulletin boards adorned with flyers advertising services, such as dog walking, house cleaning, or guitar lessons, showcase the interconnectedness of the neighborhood. It's a microcosm of life itself, where the needs of one weave into the needs of many. Conclusion. So, my friends, as we bid farewell to this extraordinary world hidden in plain sight, we carry with us newfound appreciation for the laundromat and its role in the lives of countless individuals. Beyond its functional purpose, it offers a unique space where stories intertwine, where conversations flow, and where a chore becomes a shared experience. Next time you find yourself in the humdrum of the laundry day routine, take a moment to embrace the charm of the laundromat. Allow yourself to be captivated by its coin-operated magic, and remember that amidst the clatter of coins and the whirl of machines, a community comes to life, connected by the simple act of laundering their lives. Safe travels on your laundry adventures, my friends, and may the hidden world of laundromats continue to enthrall and inspire us all. Here are some questions to test yourself with. What can you find inside a laundromat? Here is my answer. Inside a laundromat, you can find rows of washers and dryers, often arranged in various sizes and capacities. There are typically folding tables or countertops for sorting and folding clothes. Coin-operated machines are present for customers to pay for their laundry services. Additionally, you may find seating areas, vending machines for snacks or drinks, bulletin boards displaying local advertisements, and sometimes even amenities like Wi-Fi or televisions to keep customers entertained during their visit. Why do students often visit laundromats? Here is my answer. Students often visit laundromats because they may not have access to laundry facilities in their dormitories or apartments. Laundry machines in student housing are sometimes limited or not available, leading students to seek out laundromats to wash and dry their clothes. Laundromats provide a convenient and accessible option for students to fulfill their laundry needs. How do laundromats create a unique atmosphere? Here is my answer. Laundromats create a unique atmosphere through a combination of factors. The bustling sounds of washers and dryers, the clinking of coins, and the scent of freshly laundered clothes contribute to a sensory experience. The shared space and the diverse mix of people bring a sense of community and provide opportunities for interactions and connections. The act of doing laundry, a mundane chore, becomes a unifying experience that allows people to bond over a common task. All these elements combine to create a distinct and often nostalgic atmosphere within laundromats. Do you think laundromats are only for washing clothes? Why or why not? Here is my answer. No, I don't think laundromats are only for washing clothes. While their primary purpose is laundry, laundromats often serve as more than just functional spaces. They become social hubs where people from different walks of life gather. Laundromats offer a unique opportunity for social interaction, storytelling, and community building. They provide a space where people can form connections, share experiences, and find companionship during what would otherwise be a solitary chore. Therefore, laundromats offer a broader experience beyond simply washing clothes. In your opinion, what is the most fascinating aspect of laundromats? Here is my answer. In my opinion, the most fascinating aspect of laundromats is the convergence of different lives and stories within a shared space. Laundromats bring together people from various backgrounds, ages, and walks of life who would otherwise have little reason to interact. It becomes a microcosm of society, where strangers become acquaintances, and brief encounters can lead to unexpected connections. The opportunity to observe and engage with diverse individuals, all united by the common task of doing laundry, is a truly fascinating aspect of laundromats.